Express 288 million in standard form. Now, what is standard form? Standard form is expressed as a times 10 to the power of n, whereby a has to be strictly less than 10 but can be more than or equals to 1. Okay, and n must be an integer, meaning it has to be a whole number. Alright, so how do we express this in terms of a, which is between 1 and 10, inclusive of 1, not equal to 10? 288 000 000. Now from here, you move the dot backwards once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you stop there, right? So you achieve 2.88, which is in between 1 and 10. Okay, so 2.88 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times 10 to the power 8. Okay, the way to check this is to press this in the calculator and make sure that we will get 288 million. This is the final answer for this question.